The serene and quiet lanes and bylanes of this picturesque village of Hapatnad in Pahalgam echoed with wails and shrill cries on Tuesday. The cowardly terrorist attack claimed lives of many tourists in Pahalgam. Syed Adil Hussain Shah, a horse rider and a sole breadwinner for his family, was the lone Kashmiri who was killed in cold blood by the terrorists.
एक पहलगाम घोड़े चलाने के लिए गया था। अच्छा। मजदूरी को। फिर हम 3 बजे हमने सुना कि वहाँ पे ऐसा वाक़ा हो गया, जिसमें हमने इसको फ़ोन किया तो फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ आया और फिर बाद में पता चला कि इसको एक्सीडेंट हो गया वहाँ पे। तो फिर हमारे लड़के गए वहाँ, उन्होंने देखा जब तो ये अस्पताल में था वहाँ।
तो घर में और कौन कमाने वाला है?
और कौन है? और छोटे हैं 2, तो बड़ा यही था कमाने वाला, सबसे बड़ा।
Reports suggest that during the attack, Adil displayed remarkable courage by attempting to wrestle a gun from the terrorist. He was shot dead in cold blood. While others chose to flee for life, he decided to try and save some. His regard for safety of tourists ultimately proved fatal. The sacrifice prompted an outpouring of support and condolences. Hundreds gathered to pay last respects to the valiant son of Kashmir as Adil Shah was laid to rest on Wednesday. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah also turned up at the funeral prayer and hailed his courage to stand up against the armed assailants.
ये एक शख्स थे जिन्होंने हमले को रोकने की कोशिश की और जिन्होंने शायद बंदूक छीनने की भी कोशिश की, और तभी जाके इनको निशाना बनाया गया। इस खानदान का हमें ख्याल रखना होगा, इनकी मदद करनी होगी, और मैं यहाँ इन सबको यकीन दिलाने आया हूँ कि इस मौके पे हुकूमत इनके साथ खड़ी है और जितना हम इनके लिए कर सकेंगे हम कर लेंगे।
The somber and gloomy mood in Kashmir was also reflected in the state of Rajasthan as feelings of anger and despair engulfed a neighborhood in Jaipur. 32-year-old Neeraj Udwani was among the 26 people killed in Pahalgam terror attack. Udwani, who worked in the UAE, was spending his vacation in Pahalgam with his wife when terrorists opened fire on tourists in the Basran meadow. Neeraj's relatives are now demanding a befitting reply to the terrorists.
पूछ के टारगेट किया गया है, वो भी आतंकी है, उनका बिल्कुल सफाया कर देना चाहिए। ऑन द स्पॉट जो डिसीजन गवर्नमेंट लेवे, ऑन द स्पॉट शूट आउट, एक यही है आतंकवाद को खत्म करने का तरीका।
Udwani worked in the UAE and was spending his vacation in Pahalgam with his wife when terrorists opened fire on tourists in the Basran meadow. A time of celebration with family and friends became a lifelong source of misery and anguish. The loss is not only devastating for the families, but is also likely to leave them with lasting psychological scars that may actually never heal.